everybody, and welcome to Big Scary, a gorilla tag based horror game, okay? Now, this will be my first time playing it. Or actually, no. This will be technically my second time playing it, but this will be my first time actually playing the actual game, because last time I played, my whole lobby got ruined by a griefer and we couldn't do anything. Oh, but anyways, yeah. Let's just jump right into it. Server? Here we go, server. Public, we want a public server. Hello?
He did not just leave, bro.
Hello?
Do you guys know how to get to the gas station? Because I do.
This is my first time playing, so I don't really know.
Wait, you've never played?
No, I haven't.
Let me show you around.
This is my first time playing for a YouTube video, so.
Yeah. This is level 1. It's pretty easy, it's just scary, but follow me quick. Press this green button. Make sure it looks like a beep. Press it, yeah. Be
Okay.
quick slow, and once it will start to come. Now once you've done that, follow me. Should own this hand right here. Should say enable and disable.
Very nice
Then you
hat,
can get this.
you know?
Yes. Then you can get this pet for free. I'm gonna show you a lot of the free stuff. So there's this guy right here. What do you think of him?
Looks like a 46-year-old man.
Yeah, that's what I
with no
said.
torso.
Nah. So pick out. So I'll show you all the free items
Oh, this.
that I know where everyone is. Or most of them. I know where this one is. So if you want a capybara pet, I can happily show you. Oh, this sounds cool, guys.
Oh, that's the YouTube hat.
Yeah.
Hold up, I need that. I'm a content creator.
Yeah. I don't have this.
Yeah, you have to have 10
I don't think I'll
subs.
ever get it because I'm not.
10K, really?
Yeah,
I have
so yeah.
370.
So,
Oh, no, not
I
370,
have-
sorry. 470. 477.
So, bro,
Right now.
Can you look
I'll
up
show
my
you
channel?
where all
Can
the
you look
free
up my
items
channel?
where I know where they are.
What is it?
Right, purple.
Beanie VR.
Beanie VR?
Purple, look.
Alright, I'll do that. I'll do that after I'm done.
Yeah.
Hey, everybody watching
want
this
me to do
video that
that?
I'm recording, go sub to Beanie VR. What?
Yeah. Do you want this hat at all? Because I can show you where it is.
It's a pretty cool hat.
Yeah.
And then we have this hat, which are in the same area.
This one? This one?
Yeah.
This one?
Show me the capybara.
I'm gonna show you where. Yeah. I'm gonna show you where most free cosmetics are. I don't know where all of them are because most of these I got on my first week. So follow me to level 13.
13.
Yeah. Oh frick.
13 is an unlucky number. I'm a bit scared.
Follow me. Over here. Capybara, 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 capybara. If you do not have that pet, well, you'll be amazed because now you do. A lot of people actually own this pet. I really like it.
Oh, what is
be
that?
careful,
What is that?
that's
What is that?
That's the monster.
It's an eyeball.
Right, follow me back.
It's an eyeball.
Okay, yeah.
Make
Now you're
eyeballs
in the
stew.
capybara pet. Yeah, that's the. Press the green button to return.
Yeah, I'm back.
Now this blue side is, no, there's another way down, which is this way. is an area.
locate you.
You can't die in here. This is the safe area. You cannot die out.
But it's spooky.
Come through. Don't worry. It's safe. Look. If you look on here, the owner of the game, Shrek, is a bit dead. I don't know why he's dying. Yeah.
What did you just do to that corpse?
Check out his new cosmetics. I haven't checked out his new cosmetics. So what music is this, bro?
Meh.
Hey! Where's the Kiko? It's Kiko, yeah.
I think you're
You need 20.
What's this?
I think
What's this? These packs you have to
music's
buy.
a banger.
Yeah,
Press
see.
this button, then
No!
if you know how to buy stuff on Oculus or on wherever you're playing.
Yo, guys,
You
I
can
know
do it
how
right
to beat
now.
level 17.
I know
you
how.
guys wanna know? You just gotta get 50 kills.
Yeah, no, I'm
And you
pretty
beat
sure
it.
like everyone knows. Besides this
Sick
guy, because
pack.
he's new. This is no longer available.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Wow.
no longer available.
It
That was
should
a long
be
time
returning
ago.
during Halloween. I was gonna get it, but the same day as I was gonna get it, I missed out. Reason was because this rat is pretty cool.
Guys, watch this.
But soon, when I get my monthly spend, I might buy this. It's only $5, aka £3, like 99p.
Hey,
Let me
see
have to
you.
check the price. I'm gay.
Hey.
How much would this be? Okay, yeah, £3.99.
Does anyone want to speed run with me? No. No.
Uh,
I hate speed run.
Yeah.
Yo, how do you get that hat? How do you get that hat? How do you get that hat?
It's right over
there.
here.
Oh, you have to buy it.
No,
it's free.
it's free.
Oh.
Press unlock.
I'm stuck.
Yay! Wait, how do you get this? From there?
I'll show you right now. Follow me.
Okay. How do you buy a blade, bro? Does anybody want to play mini games? How do you get that other hat?
Wait there, hold on. Here. Right there. Press that button, the green button.
Are you guys
Wow, that was
running?
easy.
No.
Yeah. Can anyone show me where the blade is, like the knife?
The blade? Wait, what knife? Oh, wait, that knife?
You want to play the game with me? You want to do?
If you want to get
Do this with me?
Everyone, become a monk.
You have to buy the bundle.
Everyone,
You want to do this with me? Yes? All right.
Put your hand like flat, instead of choking, because
My capybara is the only.
Can you get this actual face?
you can't get that as a cosmetic. Well, you can get it this way, yeah. But this is the only way you can get it.
I'm reporting you. You want to speed run
who's
for
that
5,000
green
bananas? What?
I'm
Speed run for 5,000 bananas.
You okay?
I haven't gotten the ducky hat.
Ah!
Bro, I haven't gotten the ducky hat. That's not true, bro.
Mommy!
Mom, I forgot to collect my chin. I'm getting the ducky hat.
Yeah, dude.
Give me this hat. Give me the ducky hat.
I just got killed on level 1.
Oh no.
Yes.
Me though. Yo, bro.
I never knew that I didn't have. I never knew that I didn't have this ducky hat. I never knew that.
What jail?
The jail.
Ah, my freaking. There isn't a jail. What do you mean?
Yeah. Go to the TV.
Level
TV
7.
from level 1. I mean the jail.
Right.
Hello.
What is this? Nuclear power plant?
Yo guys, what's up? Yeah. This is where Homer Simpson works.
Right, follow me.
This is where Homer Simpson
What
works.
is that?
Yo, they're stuck. Yo guys, I'm gonna show you guys where the Pizza Hut is.
Come here, come up here real quick.
Oh, I'm
No, come back real quick, real quick.
Yo, I can show you guys where the Pizza Hut is.
Yo!
I can show you guys where Pizza Hut is.
Jump on
I'm raising
it.
my hand.
Bro,
I
jump
can show
on
you
it.
guys
You
where
can
Pizza
jump on
Hut
it.
is.
Say, I want to show you where your fat ass goes when you die. Trust me, bro. It's safe, okay?
Okay. The last time I heard "trust me, bro," the last time I heard "trust me, bro" was from my best friend, and I no longer trust him.
Yeah. Come here. Whoa. Okay. Come here and pinch climb up.
Pinch climb?
Yeah, there's a hat. There's a hat in here. There's a hat in here. There's a hat in here.
Yeah. Inside.
It's in the corner.
Oh yeah. I'm equipping
Hey, you
that.
guys
I'm
want to beat
equipping
this
that.
level? You guys want to beat this
We
level?
didn't make a beat sound.
Yeah, sure. We'll beat it. Let's beat it. Or I can beat it.
You
Or I'll
didn't
beat it.
make
I
a
don't know about
beep
Greg.
sound. Did the hat? Did your
Yes, it made a
mouth
beep
beep?
sound. Yes, it made a beep
Okay.
sound.
Yeah. So that's rod. Or a rod.
Is that what we're going for?
Come on.
Yeah.
So we're supposed to what? Walk?
Come on.
Oh, dang, I suck. Well, it's a lot easier
there's
to walk
another
climb in this
rod.
game than in
Yo, Pizza Hut.
Bro,
Go Pizza Hut.
Pizza from the Pizza Hut.
pizza.
Yo, there's Pizza Hut over
Yo,
here.
look, there's another
Can
hat.
I show you where Pizza Hut is? I can show you guys where Pizza Hut is. I'm raising my hand up. I can show you guys where it is.
Ah, frig.
Do you guys want to know where Pizza Hut is? You guys want to know?
Pinch.
Yeah, he's getting the hat real quick.
Yo, yes, sir. I'm finna be
Crazy.
tricked out. Frig.
Okay, guys, come on.
You want like just, you want smack upwards.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, follow this guy.
I'll show you where Pizza Hut is. It's down here.
In here.
Yo.
My cord got tangled up. Okay.
Yo, look at Ratatouille. Look at Ratatouille.
Yo, it's Remy!
Yo, no, just keep watching.
It's
Dude, no,
copyrighted,
just watch.
by the way. The music will get copyrighted, so I'd suggest.
Yo, watch, he's making a pizza!
excited.
Look, he's making a pizza! Look, Ratatouille's making a pizza, look!
Look, guys,
He's making a pizza!
I know.
pizza, yay! This fat rat ate my pizza.
It ate your pizza.
Yeah. Eat my radioactive tube. Yeah, I fed it a radioactive tube. It's a uranium actually. See, look, that pizza. Look, what's a pizza?
Nice.
Quick!
Take it.
The rat ate your pizza.
Uranium! Oh, he'll be feeling that. He'll be feeling that for weeks.
I'm gonna eat my uranium.
Oh no, he's chasing
I'm
after
gonna
me.
feed a guy with. Wait, yo, brother. I'm gonna feed you uranium. Uranium. Taste the uranium. Me. Uranium. Uranium. Yeah.
Yo, I can do this with one arm. I never knew I could do that. Be careful. Oh!
Yo, is purple okay? I just saw blood.
Yeah, already died. You respawn in this game, don't worry.
I know that you
Not
respawn.
major. The horror, but it is. Well, it is.
I know that I respawn. I've already died.
Push up and sideways. Yeah, you're doing it. You're doing it.
I won't climb in Gorilla Tag.
Yeah, look. Take your time. Don't rush it. Don't rush it.
Guys!
But I know that we respawn because I've already died.
Oh, don't jump down. Don't.
Yo! He's coming! He's coming!
Look, I saw a monster.
Yo, guys, I gotta go. Bye.
Bye. Capybara, is that you?
Come here.
What even are those
Jump.
things?
Run. Quick, bro, run.
Why is he behind me?
Look. Let's put your hand on here. Your uranium tube will go on it.
Okay. Yeah, where's the other tubes
Come here now.
of uranium?
In here. They can't get on this one. But where you are, the monster can get you.
The monster! I don't know where it is!
Run faster!
Ah!
Quick! Jump!
Oh, I'm
Okay.
good.
They can't come on this tube. Now follow me. Quick! Down there.
There's my
In
capybara.
here, in here. The monsters can't get us.
Oh, I got it. Okay. Let us go. Yeah, freak. Oh, that's corner jumping, isn't it? Hey!
Quick! Go here. Yeah, go on there. Hand low down. Push up with your other arm high up like this.
Freak.
No, you want to be like with your arms stretched. Or if you have a problem, just will bounce. If you can't do that, just do this. Just wall climb. Or wall bounce, whatever. Okay, come here, come here. You just avoided death, bro.
Oh, look, there's another one. But we gotta turn it in there.
How many do you have in there?
I have one, and then this is my second one.
Jump.
I need you to get out of the way.
Okay.
Like, sorry for being rude, but like,
Number one.
that's two. Gray Guy? I saw Gray Guy get chased, oh god. Gray Guy! Gray Guy! Gray Guy! Oh god. We gotta get back to the second tube. I don't know where Gray Guy went. I think he died. Bro, Gray Guy, no! I'm on my own now. Oh god. There are 3 rods. There's 2 more. And I think I might know where one could be. Happy ghost? Well, I'm not exactly happy. I just lost my friend. Oh! You! Yo! Ah, frig. My mom's calling me. We shall continue. Where did Gray Guy go, bro? Let's see if I can locate the first freaking thingamabobber. What is that? What is that? What is that? I'm gonna go grab it. Should I? I don't know if there are any monsters down there, but... You now have 1 bananas. Okay. Me more! Oh no! Use the foods to power the door. Oh, this is rods. I thought this is foods. Ha, stupid! You can't get to me! You can't! Oh my god! Oh, I thought he was gonna run in here. Stupids! You can't get me! Na boo boo. Oh my god! No! Oh! No! Oh! No! Let's see if we can find Gray Guy. Let's see where Gray Guy went. And if I can find him.
Which level should we go?
Is this Code Monker? Is this Code Monker?
No.
What level?
Which level?
Is this Code Monker or a
Level
public?
15.
Level 15.
No, we're going to level 6.
8. 7.
Aha.
6. It's 6.
Gray Guy, you down here?
We went to level 6.
Gray Guy. No? I think Gray Guy left the game.
You yapper. Yo, guess what? Guess what happened to me today?
Yo,
Today in this
we need an
code,
F. We need an
I
F
meant
in the
this
comments
guy,
for Gray Guy.
this guy and this guy 2
Where'd
times.
Capybara go?
Hey, bro, do you want to complete something with me? Do you want to complete,
Yeah, I never saw
do you want to complete level 15 with me?
Yeah, I'll go do level 15 with you.
this video.
Do you know where every single one of the things are?
No, this is my first time playing. I literally just lost my best friend on level 7, bro. What is that sound? It got me.
No, do not go up there.
If there's one thing I hate, it's carnival music.
Like that.
Yep, especially when it's bass boosted.
Let's go to a different one, guys. Guys, just stay here. I'm gonna go get a cosmetic.
I just lost my best friend on level 7, bro. Oh, did you see him? Let me come up here with you. Hello.
Hey, guys.
Let's do this.
Guys, hold up. Let's wait for my pet.
My mic was off.
My pet's a clown. My pet is the clown pet.
Oh,
I
yeah.
have that equipped, don't I?
I have the capybara pet equipped. I don't know where it went.
Run. Ow, ow, ow. I'm bleeding eternally because of this.
Why are you pushing me? Why are you pushing me? I think we should go in that direction. Oh, dude, that was so close!
Out of nowhere! He came out of nowhere!
That was so close!
I don't hear anything. Do you even trust that clown, bro?
I already found one.
Let's go in that direction, because
Guys,
he's...
let's go to a different level.
Follow me.
I'm coming.
Oh, frick! Purple. What happened?
I just got attacked, bro, and he was right behind me. Bro,
Where are you last?
usually I'm not
Wanna know
this
how you
scared.
get this hat? Do you
No,
know
I'm
how you
good.
get this? You have to get it from the comment screen.
I'm good.
Where are you?
I like the hat I have already. I think I'm gonna end the video.
On my butt.
I think I'm gonna end the video right here, guys.
Yeah,
It
guys.
was so fun.
Everybody unsubscribe. Unsubscribe to this user.
I have
I'm
no clue
joking.
who this
I'm
is.
joking.
This is my first time playing the game.
I have no clue who this is.
I like the game personally. It's very fun. It's very different.
Hello there.
I don't normally play. I don't normally play VR horror games, but this was pretty sick. Yeah, obviously I play some, but like I don't really play them that often. This game was pretty sick. I really liked it. F in the chats for Gray Guy, or not chat, comments for Gray Guy. And yeah,
Who,
that's the end of the video.
me?
No, I had a friend who
Wait,
showed
is that
me.
me?
No, I had a friend who showed me
Hey,
like
was
a
that
ton of
me?
stuff about the game. I had a friend that showed me a ton of
Hello?
stuff about the game. But yeah, subscribe,
Hey, bro.
like, obviously all
Wait,
that stuff.
were you talking about me?
No, I had another Gray Guy. He was British.
Hey, bro, do you know how you get this hat? Do you want to know?
Oh, I already have it.
Dang it.
Yeah.
Do you know how
Do you know what hat that you don't have? Any Halloween hats?
I do not. This is my first time playing. Anyways, I was doing the outro to this video.
And the ghost hat?
Goodbye, and remember,
I'll help you get a hat. I'll help.
if ketchup is a fruit, then that makes ketchup. Wait, no. Yeah, if tomato is a fruit, then that makes ketchup a smoothie. Until we meet again.